Hello and welcome to another video. I have this Tesla Model 3 that needs new wiper blades. I bought these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to them in the description below and then the brand name in the title, so you know which ones I bought. You go into the car, go into your service mode, and click on wiper service mode, and that will bring your wipers right up, and now you can service them. Make sure you have a microfiber cloth to protect your glass from scratches. When you take the wiper blades off, there is metal, bare metal, that's going to touch your glasses if you let it. Okay, so this is what the blade looks like. So there's a little protector. We're going to leave that on for now. You can see that I have a very large profile a wiper blade installed. These are the Costco ones. They work fine, but they are higher profile. So you can kind of see the bump out, jut out a little bit from the inside the car, especially when they're used. Of course, when they hide away, you don't see it. But for the new ones, I decided to go with the Tesla ones. So let's go ahead and pull out the old ones here. Depending on which ones you have installed, the process to take out the old ones will be different. For these Costco ones, all there was pressing this tab and pulling it out, and they're off. As far as the putting on the new ones, it's going to be the reverse process. So you're going to just slide this on. You see this angled part that's going to slide inside the wiper blade assembly like so. And that's it. You gotta have wiggle a little bit, and now you can pull out that safety strip and put it to the side. The old wiper blade can go in the trash. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna push this and slide, and you can see the wiper blade comes off easily. The new wiper blade, again, you take this angled part of the blade, and you're gonna separate the blade from so you're gonna push this out away from the blade and slide it on top here. And you're gonna have to wiggle a little bit. One thing I've learned from working on cars is things are never as easy as they appear on the camera. I had to wiggle this quite a bit to get it in, but eventually I was able to get it in. Pull out that strip. All right, let's go ahead and go inside the car and test it out. You're gonna go to service again and uncheck the wiper service mode and close that door so I don't get sprayed. Alrighty, perfect. You can see that these wipers didn't leave a streak. They work really well. Obviously, only time will tell how well they work. You can see that they're lower profile, so you can't easily see the wipers from front of the car. Unlike the old Michelin ones, these are going to be similar to the original Tesla wipers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.